Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one important entry question, that is program to count number of repeated characters in Java. So we can write it like this in many ways, but in today's session we are going to discuss one simplest way, that is using hash map class. Okay, let's assume that string str equal to abcd and ab is the input string, and we are expecting the output is like how many times a is repeated and b is repeated, okay, like that actually. Okay, in this case a is repeated two times, b is repeated two times, and c is repeated one time, and d is repeated one time actually. Let's take the same by using eclipse tool actually. Okay, for that I'm going to create new class called, okay, hash map demo. Okay, so let's create the class, and I'm going to just remove this line, existing line, okay, comment line, and declare one string actually. Okay, here what we need to do is, okay, we are declaring a b c d and then ab. This is the input string we are given. Okay, and using map. Okay, so here character we are expecting initially, and then second one is integer. Okay, so we are expecting output like so character is first one, and how many times the integer, I mean the same character is repeated. Okay, so that's why I'm just declaring like so character followed by integer and hash map, and then here new hash map. Okay, so let's import the same, both map and hash map. So this is the map, right? Import map, and then this is the hash map, right? So now I'm using for loop actually. Yeah. Okay, initially what I'm doing is I'm converting, okay, converting the given string into two char array. Okay, this is the two char array method which is present. So after converting to char array, I'm just going to check it like is if hmap dot contains key. Okay, contains key of this one C, right? If this one, okay, this is the C. If it contains, okay, then I'm going to use hmap dot put method is there. Okay, here put method is there. So using C, I'm just printing the character, and followed by hmap dot get of C, the character. Okay, the same character it will get it, and then plus one actually. Okay, I'm going to increment it. Okay, if the same character is repeated more than once, else, okay, hmap dot put of, this is the put method which is C, else if it is repeated only one time, then we are going to declare it like only one time actually. Okay, so let's just print the same outside the for loop. Okay, outside the for loop, sys out hmap. Okay, so let's execute the program. See, A is repeated two times, B is repeated two times, C is one time, and then D is one time. Even if I just give it like some alphabets, right? Let's check it. Okay, see here. So capital A is repeated one time, and small a is repeated two times, and B is repeated two times, C is repeated one time. Okay, and similarly if we are giving some numbers also, okay, so 1 2, okay, okay, 1 2, okay, and let's check the output how many times, like see, a is repeated one time, a is repeated small a. Okay, and similarly like 1 is repeated two times, and 2 is repeated like two times actually. Okay, so this is all about like how to just count like the repeated characters in a given string actually. So let's summarize it. Initially you have declared the string actually, and converting like the same into given string into two char array by using like two char array method, and putting it into like C actually here, and just using hash map that contains key method. We are just checking whether this character is like so having same character or not, and so if the character contains, then putting it like C, okay, the character followed by like how many times the each character is repeated actually, by using hmap dot get of C, that character plus one, we are just going to increment it. Else we are just printing hmap dot put of character followed by 1 actually. Okay, this is how like we need to use like so the program to print number of repeated characters in a given string actually. Okay, so if you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And in next video, I will come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.